Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Online School. So today we are here to start our few sample paper sessions for every grade starting from 2 to 8. Okay, so I hope this would help you in the upcoming Olympiad series. So we'll discuss the sample papers for grade 5 today. So let's start. This is grade 5 sample paper that I have taken. So here is our first question. The question paper's pattern is like we have 50 questions divided into 4 sections. Okay, that first section is logical reasoning over here. So our first question is, which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship among dog, men, and human being? Okay, now if we just look into this, dogs, men, and living being, how are they interrelated? Both dog and men, they are subcategories of living beings. They are tied to different types of living beings. Okay, so we need basically one circle that would represent the entire category, that is living being, and two subcategories within it. So that's option B, the outer circle being living beings. One may be men and the other one representing dog over here. So that's our Venn diagram needed. Option B is our correct answer. Moving on, there is certain relationship between the given figure on either side of the colon. You need to identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing number. Okay, so this is the first relationship. If we just look into it, the first thing done over here is the boundary or the border has been removed. Okay, so the border has been removed. If you remove the border, you will be left with a figure. You'll be left with a figure like this. You'll be left with a figure like this. So what's done next? It has been flipped upside down. It has been flipped upside down, or it has been turned around. So if we see, if we remove the border, we'll get two parts like this, which are shaded. Okay, all of you. So two parts which are shaded. That's only in option C if you see over here. None other options have two parts shaded like this after the circle being removed. So option C is our correct answer or the required answer. Next, find the missing number over here in the given number pattern. You need to identify the pattern over here, 144, 136, 128. If we just look, the pattern is decreasing order and it's decreasing by how much? 8. 144 minus 8 gives you 136. Again, the same thing, minus 8 gives you 128. So again, the next one should be minus 8. 128 minus 8 is 120. Option A being the answer. Next question, Rohan is standing fourth from the left end and Chintu is standing eighth from the last. If there are only 4 people standing between Rohan and Chintu, find the number of people in the queue. Okay, Rohan is standing fourth over here. Rohan is standing fourth over here from the front or from the top of the queue. That means 3 people ahead of him. Fine. 4 people in between Rohan and Chintu. Fine. That means after 4 people, Chintu is over here. And Chintu is 8th from the last. 8th from the last means 7 people below him. Okay. So this is the sequence. This is the sequence. How many total people in the queue do we find? 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 4, 14. Rohan 1, 15, and Chintu 1, 16. So 16 people in the queue. That's option B as our answer. Next question. In this, what we need to do is we just need to, in this question, we need just the coded form like English. English we have over here. Okay. English is coded as hashtag $, percentage, star mark, sorry, star mark, I is coded as exclamation over here, S is coded as the and H is coded as division. Okay, so you need for bangle firstly. Next, we will take the word batting over here. Batting is written as at the rate of copyright symbol plus exclamation dollar and percentage. Now we need for bangle. So for bangle, the first one is B. That should be written as at the rate of A in the word batting again, copyright symbol. N is over here written as dollar. Okay. G is percentage. L is over here in English written as star mark. And E is written as the last one over here, hashtag. Which of these options give you the correct answer? Then in that case, the option D. No, wait. Percentage, at the rate, copyright, dollar, percentage, star mark, hashtag. That's option A. So option A is the correct answer. Next question number 6. A incomplete figure is given. Which of the following options will complete the given figure matrix? In such type of questions, what you need to do is just draw the required part. Just draw the required part over here. If you just draw the required part, it would give you a part like this, which would be shaded downwards because it's somewhat following the leaf pattern. And over here, you need to complete this triangle below. So this part like this, you find it in option. Which option do you find it? Option A. If you see option B, the pattern of the line does not match. It should be from left to right. Okay, but it's right to left. So the pattern does not match. Option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. Select the odd one now. JJ20, RR36, MM26, and KK24. What's the rule over here? See, if we just try to follow J and J, both are the 10th alphabet of English. So 2 times J gives you 10 plus 10, that's 20. So JJ20 is correct. R is the 18th alphabet. So 18 plus 18, 36. This also matches. M is the 13th alphabet. So 13 plus 13, 26. This also matches. As far as K is concerned, K is the 11th alphabet. But so accordingly, it should be double K 22. But in the question, it's given 24. So that's the odd one out, which does not match the position of the alphabet. Next, how many different possible combinations of one diya and one candle can be formed from the given diyas and candles? How many diyas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 diyas. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 candles. So in such type of questions, you just need to multiply to get the possible combinations. That's 7, 6 are 42. Next question, number 9. How many minimum number of straight lines required to draw the given figure? Okay, you just need to redraw the figure. Just overwrite and you get the minimum number of lines needed. See, 1, 2, and 3 for the boundary. 4, 5, and 6 for the sleeping lines. 7, 8, and 9 for the bisectors or the vertices that are drawn over here. And one is this diagonal 10. So 10, option B is the answer. Next, question number 10. Yuvraj joins a badminton coaching center in the month of April. The calendar is given. And every Thursday and Friday is a holiday for him. Then how many days did he go to the coaching for that month? Okay, so first see, it's a month of 30 days. Okay, how many Thursdays? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many Fridays? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 Thursdays, 4 Fridays together, 9 days holidays. That means out of 39 days holidays, so you subtract, you get the days he went coaching. That's 21 as the answer. Our next question, if Arjun is facing India Gate, he takes, first he is taking 135 degrees anti-clockwise, and after that he is turning 180 degrees and clockwise. Then what would he face now? Okay, see, 180 degrees clockwise, 135 degrees anti-clockwise. What's the difference basically? What's the difference? If you just subtract, this would clockwise is turning more, okay, clockwise direction. If you just subtract this, that gives you 45 degrees clockwise turn overall. The entire impact is what? 180 clockwise, 135 anti-clockwise. The entire effect is just 45 degrees clockwise. Okay, so since the figure is divided into 8 portions, each portion represents 45 degrees because the entire thing is 90 bisected into 2 parts. So each part representing 45, facing India Gate, 45 degrees clockwise. That means he'll turn towards his right. That means he'll be facing the bus stop now. Option A being the answer. Next question, which of the following words you cannot form from the letters of the given word institutional? Any of the options having an alphabet which is not present in the word institutional. U present, N, yes, I, yes, O, yes, N, yes. So you can make union. Next, I, N, S, U, L, T. All the alphabets are present. Nation also, if you see, all the alphabets are present. Tunnel, the alphabet E is missing in the word institutional. So you cannot make tunnel. So tunnel is the answer. Select the correct mirror image to the figure given below. This question is very easy because if you see, the original image has 2, B, G, and 4. 2 numbers and 2 alphabets in it. Option A, B, and D do not have them. Only option C has it. The entire thing, all the 4, the 2 numbers and the 2 alphabets. Option C is the answer. Which of the following options is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Option A, is it present? Yes, over here. So that's the answer. Over here, option A is present. So option A is the answer. If the 6 elements from the left end of the given arrangement is removed, okay, 6 elements removed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 from the left is removed. This is the one which is left with us. Which element would be in the middle of the remaining elements then? Cross 2 from this side, cross 2 from this side, 2 more from this side, 2 more from this side. What is left in the center? Dollar. So option B, dollar is the answer. Which of the following is equivalent fraction? Which of the following is equivalent fraction of 3 by 8? Okay, 3 by 8. 3 threes are 9. 8 threes is 9, 18? No, so that's not equivalent. Next, 3 fours is 12. So we should take 8 fours, that's 20. No, that's also not the answer. 3 fives is 15. 8 fives is 25. No, that's also not the answer. 3 fours are 12. 8 fours are 32. Both multiplied by 4. Hence, that's an equivalent fraction. Next question, the given line graph shows the number of students who likes different colors. Study the graph carefully and answer the following question. How many more students like green color than blue color? How many like green over here? This is the line graph. You just need to follow the dot. Green is 24 in number. How many like blue? That's over here. If you just check the corresponding number, that's 12. So what's the difference? 24 minus 12? 12. Option B. Which of the following is incorrect? 4 liter, 360 milliliter. Can you write it like this? 4.36 liter. Yes. When you give the dot, you take just the higher measuring unit. So 4.36 liter is correct. Next, 6 meter, 8 centimeter. Do you like write it like this? No. 6.8 is written as 6.08 meter, not 6.80. It becomes 6 meter 80 centimeter instead of 8. So that's wrong. So that's our answer because option B is incorrectly written. Next, question number 19. You need to check the perimeter. You need to check the perimeter of the given figure, which is not drawn to scale. Okay, let's start. 7 plus 3, 10, 12. We don't know this one. We'll skip this. If this is 2, this also has to be 2. 14, 15, 2, 17, 19, 21, and 23. Okay, we have got 23 so far. Now, few measurements are missing. We need to first pick them out. See, first, if we just check the base, 2 till here. This is another 2 till here. The whole thing was 7. 2 and 2, 4 gone till here. So how much is the remaining part? 3. 7 minus 2 minus 2. That's 3. So if that is 3, the base is also 3. So 23 plus 3, 26. Okay. Now this part. 2 till here, the entire thing is 3. If till here it's 2, the remaining portion is 1 centimeter or 1 unit. So if that's 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. So 1, that makes it 27. Similarly, it's the whole thing is 2 over here. If till this part it's 1, that means the remaining part is 2 minus 1, 1 over here again. So 27 plus 1, 28. 28 centimeter is our answer. Find the greatest 4-digit number that can be formed by using the digits only once. In such type of questions, you just need to arrange the alphabets big to small. That's 8750. 8750, option B. That's our answer. My next question asks me to find the HCF of 56 and 184. If I do factorization of 56, it would proceed like this. I would take the first prime number 2. That leaves me with 2 2s are 28. 2 times is 56. Again, if I proceed with 2, that leaves me with 14. Again, 2, 7. 7 is already a prime number, so I stop. Moving on to 184, I start again with 2, that leaves me with 92. Again with 2, that leaves me with 46 over here. If I proceed with 2 again, that leaves me with 23. 23 itself is a prime number, so I stop. Now I pick 1, 2 common, 2 2s common, okay? The third 2 also common. 7 and 23 not common. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2. That's 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So that's the answer. My next question reads, the given clock shows the time at which Shreya went for jogging in the morning from her home. If she comes back at 8:30 a.m. Okay, the time shown in the clock is 7:15. Coming back at 8:30, what's the duration? 7:15 to 8:30 is 7:15 to 8:15 is exactly 1 hour, which can be written as 60 minutes. And from 8:15 to 8:30, you have more 15 minutes. So 60 plus 15, that's 75 minutes altogether. So option C is the answer. My next question, which of the following angles represents an obtuse angle? The first one is an acute angle. So obviously not that one. The next one is also right angle. That's also not the answer. Option C is an obtuse angle measuring more than 90 degrees. And the fourth one is also acute angle. So option C is the answer. Question number 24. Few clues are given. We need to identify the number. The first clue reads, it is a 3-digit number. If you check, all the options are 3-digit number. Next, all of its digits are different. Again, all the digits are different. Sum of all its digits is 15. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. Not possible. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 4, 14, possible. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 2, 15, possible. 7 plus 2 plus 6, again possible. Okay, so we have three options now. The tens digit is 3 times the ones digit. Tens digit should be 3 times the ones digit. 4 3 times is 12, not the answer. 2 3 times is 6. That means 762 is our answer. Writing for the Roman numeral 967. For 900, we need to subtract 100 from 1000. So CM. For 60, we need 50 plus 10. That's 60. And for 7, we need 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So that's the Roman numeral. So option A is the answer. Next, question number 26. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the given figure? If we just need to check the pairs. This is the first pair. On the other end, this is the second pair, okay? Below this, the third pair. This is the fourth pair, okay? Fourth pair, so far. Now, if we just need to check further, aren't the lines on top related, like this one? This one is parallel to this. That's the fifth pair. And again, this one is parallel to this one also. So 6 pair. Similarly, the inner line is parallel to the opposite side on inner line, 7th pair. And this one again parallel to the outer one, 8th pair. So 8 of the lines, 8 pairs of parallel lines are there in this given figure. Which of the following squares must be shaded to make the given figure symmetric? If we just check, this figure is neither vertically nor horizontally symmetrical. So what we can do, we can check diagonally. Is it diagonally symmetrical? Yes. Half and half balanced. Balanced. This one balanced against this. This one balanced against this. For this, we have missing. So it should be Q shaded. So option B, Q is the answer. Next, question number 28. A milk container can hold 14 3/5 liters of milk. 14 3/5 liters is how much? 14 fives are 70 plus 3, 73/5 liter. Okay, fine. One container holds 73/5. So 10 such containers will hold how much? Simply multiply by 10. That's 5 twos are 10. You're left with 73 into 2. That's 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14, 146 liter. Option C being our answer. Question number 29. Find the third multiple of 3. Third multiple of 3 is 3 times 9. Fifth multiple of 5, that's 25. If you add them, 25 plus 9 gives you 34. So 34 is divisible by which number? 5, no. 4, no. 3, no. 2, yes. So 2 is the answer. Next, question number 30. Rounding off the number shown on the abacus to the nearest hundreds. First, we need the number on the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lakhs. Nothing in the 10,000s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7. That's the number. You have to round it off nearest hundreds. So you check tens. That's 5. 5 or more you increase. So this becomes 5, 5, 0, 7. And this side changes to 0. So 7, 0, 5, 5, 0. Option C is the answer. Question number 31. You need to read the temperature on the thermometer shown. It's degree Fahrenheit. So that's it. Between 40 and 50 exactly. So it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Option A being the answer. Question number 32. Two numbers are given. You have to find the addition, sum, and then round it off to nearest tenth. Okay. Let's add them first. 825.23. 425.68. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. The dot comes down. 0. Carry 1. This is 5. This is 12. 1250.91. Rounding off to nearest tenth. So you check 100. That's 1. So it won't change. So 1250.9. Option C is the answer. Next, question number 33. Find the area of the shaded figure. Okay, look here. One box measures 2 by 2. That means the area of one square is 4 centimeters square. How many such squares shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. half and half 5, half and half 6, half and half 7. So 7 boxes, each measuring 4 centimeters square. That's 28 square centimeters. Option C being the answer. Next, question number 34. A pole is painted red and white. Okay, there's a pole painted red and white. The red portion is 1.8 meter. White portion is 3 times of this. 3 times 1.8. So how long is the pole? The pole is basically 3 times 1.8 plus one more time 1.8. 4 times 1.8. 4 times 1.8 is 4 8 is 32, carry 3, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. 7.2 meter, option B being the answer. Question number 35 is just a number which is written in words. You just need the short form for this. So 65 million, that means it's international system. 65 million, okay. I'm sorry, it reads 60 million. Okay. 60 million. So we write 60 million. So we write 6060. Then 57,000. 3 digits in the thousands period. So it's 57. So it should be written as 057. 100,000s have nothing. Then 403. 403. That's the number. 60057. 403, option A. Question number 36. The cost of notebook is given to be 12 rupees, okay? How many maximum notebooks can be purchased for 200 rupees? So what we need to do? Simply divide. 12 one time is 12. How many minimum notebooks can you purchase? You just need to divide this and find out how many minimum can be purchased. If you divide, you get 1 times 12, 8 remaining, 80, 12, 6 are 72. Again, 8 remaining. So it would continue 16 point something. Obviously, you cannot purchase in fractions. So minimum 16 whole entire notebooks can be purchased. That's the answer. In a school, the number of girls is 3/4 the total number. 3/4 is girls. So what's left for the boys? 1/4. 1/4 of the total strength. That means 320 is boys. So how many boys in the school? 480 times is 320. 18 to 1. 80 is the answer. Next, a farmer planted sugarcane in a rectangular plot which has an area of 266 square meter. What's the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. The breadth is given to be 14. Length you don't know. We have to find the length only. So what we have to do? Simply divide the area by breadth. If we divide area by breadth, that gives us 14. 1 times 14. We are left with 12. 126. 126, that means 14 nines is 126. So 19 meter, option D is the answer. Next, question number 39. A shop sells 248 rasgullas every day. Cost of one is 12 rupees. 248, cost of one is 12. So what's the entire earning for one day? Earning in a day is 248 into 12. That's 12 8s are 96. Carry 9. 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 9, that's 57. Carry 5. 12 5s, 12 2s are 24 plus 5, 29. 2,976 the shopkeeper earns in one day. So how much will the shopkeeper earn in similar 5 days? 2,976 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 7 5 35 plus 3 38, carry 3, 9 5 45 plus 3 48, carry 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. 14,880, option A as the answer. Next, question number 40. Rihan went for a dance class at 5:30 a.m. Returned home after 45 minutes. At what time did he return? 45 minutes after 5:30 is 6:15. So that's the answer. Next question reads, NGO collected these many, NGO P collected these many books, NGO Q collected these many books at a charity drive. Which NGO collected more number of books? You just need to pick the higher number. That's for NGO P. So P is the answer. Next question number 42. Karan walks around a square park which is 50-meter long. One day he walked around the park 6 times. How much distance did he walk on that day? So what we need? 6 times the perimeter. And what's the perimeter? 50 into 4, 200 meters. So 6 times 200 is 1200 meter. So he walked 1200 meters that day. Next question says, Arohi's weight is given to be 67.50 kgs. Her friend Shreya's weight is 54.85 kgs. How much weight should Arohi lose so that both weigh equal? So what we need to do, we just need to find the excess weight by subtracting. So that becomes 10 minus 5, 5. 5 will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6 over here. 6 over here. If we see 0.65 only in the option C, we will continue anyhow further. 7 will become 6 since we borrowed. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 12.65 kg. That's the answer. Next, question number 44. Puneet wants to purchase a shirt of 2000 rupees. 760.5 is in the digital wallet. 432.85 he borrowed from his friend. How much amount does he still need to purchase the shirt? How much amount does he have in total? 760.65, 432.85. He has this much money. Let's see how much is total. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8 is 15, 5 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 4, 11. 1193, 1193.50 he has. He wants to purchase a shirt of 2000. So what is the deficient amount? We need to subtract. We need to subtract 0 minus 0, 0. This becomes 10 minus 5, 5. Since we borrowed, this becomes 9 minus 3, 6. Again, this will become 9 minus 9, 0. This will again become 9 minus 1, 8. 2 will become 1. So 806.50, option A is the answer. Next question. A contractor sent these many bricks for the construction of 70 chambers. If an equal number of bricks were required for each chamber, then how many bricks were used for each chamber? We need to divide 7695940 divided by 70. We can simply cross out the zeros. That becomes easy. 7 ones are 7. 6 cannot be divided. So 0, 7 ones are, okay. So 69 it becomes, after that it becomes 69. So 7 9 times is 63. 7 9 times is 63. 7 9 times is 63. Okay. So if we take 63 over here, 6 is left. It becomes 65. Again, 7 9 times is 63. 2 left. 9 gets added. It becomes 29. 7 4s are 28. 1 left. 4. 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So 109942. Option D is the answer. Okay. The given bar graph shows the number of marks scored by A and B in our 4 different subjects. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. How much more marks scored by A than B in all the subjects? Okay, if we just check, this is 75 in maths for A and 65 in maths for B. So A has scored more. How much? 10. Now, if we just check this one, this is 85 and 70. So A has scored less, so minus 15. Okay. Over here, this is 60 and 55 plus 5 for A. And this is 90 and 65 for B in Hindi. So that's plus 25 again for A. So how much has A scored more? Plus 25 plus 5 is plus 30 plus 10 plus 40 minus 15. That's 25. So overall, A has scored 25 more. Now, the second part of the question, what fraction of marks has A scored in science and Hindi together? In science, what's A scored? 70. In Hindi, 90. 70 plus 90, 160 for A. Okay. Next for B, which 2 subjects are asked? English and maths. English B has scored over here 55 plus in Hindi B has scored, in maths it's asked, in maths B has scored 65. So that's together 120. So what's the fraction? 160 by 120. 4 times is 16, 3 times 12, so 4 by 3. 25 and 4 by 3. 25 and 4 by 3. That's present in option B. So that's the correct answer, option B. Next, read the statement carefully and answer. 672.734 minus 347.487. If we subtract this, how much are we getting? If we subtract this, we will get, this becomes 14 minus 7, 7. 3 becomes 2, 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 becomes 6, 2 point. 2 becomes 12 again, 5. 7 becomes again 6. That's 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 325.247. When you round it off to nearest hundreds, does it give you 325.25? Yes, because it's 7 in the thousands place. So the first statement is true. Second one, if I just proceed with the whole numbers and calculate, see 63 plus 38, that's 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry 1, 101, okay? And I subtract 14 from it. That's already less. That's already less. It's already 88, less than 90. So we can ignore the fraction part or the decimal part and proceed that way also. That saves our time. So option 2 is also correct. So both the statements are true. Option A is the answer. The next question reads, some similar shapes are required. Some similar shapes are just accumulated together and they form a shape. Okay. The perimeter of the whole figure is given to be 308. Okay. See, they are similar looking squares. So how many sides together make 138? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. If 308 is divided into 22 equal parts, how much would it become? 14. That means one side is 14. If one side is 14, that means what's the area of one square? 14 into 14, that's 196 centimeters square. How many such boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 such boxes. So what's the area of the whole figure? If you just multiply 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 9 18 plus 1 19, 9 carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Add it, you get the answer. That's 4,116. So that's my answer, 4,116 square. Moving on to the 49th question, we need the LCM of 24 and 45. 24 and 45. If you just need the LCM of 24 and 45, see, 24 can be written as how? If you do factorization method. 24 is 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Okay. Similarly, if I have to write 45, 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45. Okay. So what's the LCM? 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. 1, 3 is common. So 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is how much? 24. 24 into 15. That's the answer. 24 into 15. That's the answer. 15, 4 times 60. 0 carries 6. 15 2s are 30 plus 6, 36. 360 is the answer. So 360 is the answer to the first one. Option A and C already eliminated. Okay. Now next, this question. MX, that's 1000, 1090, 1098 minus, this is how much? 449. 449. That gives you how much? 9 becomes 8. 18 minus, okay, sorry. 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. So here we write 4. Next, 0 cannot be subtracted. So 10 minus 4, 6. 1 becomes 0 since we borrowed. So 649. 649 present in option D. So that's the answer. The third one is not required to solve. Even if it is required, what must be added to the number to get 1 million? So what we have to do? 1 million minus the number. That would give us 5,34,107. Next, the last question for the paper. If we see 5 oranges are equal to 2 mangoes, okay? Now next is 675 grams is equals to 3 mangoes. So we can start off from the second expression. 3 mangoes weigh 675. So 1 mango's weight is how much? Divided by 3. 3 twos are 6. 2s are 6. 1 remaining 15. 3 5s are 15. 225 grams. If 225 is the weight of 1 mango, 2 mangoes would be how much? 2 times, that's 450 grams. That means basically 5 oranges together weigh 450 grams. If 5 oranges together weigh 450 grams, what's the weight of 1 orange? 450 divided by 5, that's 90 grams. Option D being the answer. So that was our first sample paper. Hope the entire video helps you in your upcoming exam.